Hello! Say hi!
Hi!
Ayan, ngayon po, ang papakita ko sa inyo ay what's inside my bag!
Hi!
Yeah, this is my daughter, Sky. What's your name, anak?
Jojo, Mama.
Oh, mommy. Okay, what's the name of your mommy?
Mommy, Missy.
How about your daddy?
Dad, Awa.
How about your name? What's your name?
This is Bella.
Again, Sky.
Mama!
Yay! How old are you?
3.
3. Yay! You're gonna help mommy show them what's inside my bag? Help mommy? Ayan. Ito po ang, this is my cabin crew bag. Ito po yun. Papakita ko po sa inyo, kung anong laman inside. Okay, first, wallet. Yeah, wallet.
Mommy.
So, yung mga card ko.
Choco.
What's this?
Coffee.
Coffee. Yes, kasi coffee drinker po ako. Ayun, ito po, 2 coffee drip. Binili ko po to sa Japan. Mas masarap po itong drink. And then, what else? Maraming ball pen. Kasi, pag hiniram ng pasahero, minsan po, hindi na binabalik. So, kailangan marami po kayong extra. Yes. Lotion. What's this? What's this, baby? Lotion. Yan. Ito po is Kosei relaxing lavender. Yan. Binili ko rin po to sa Japan. Super nakaka-moisturize siya. Nakakatanggal ng dryness. What's that? Yeah. And then, marami pa po na dito. Ito pong maliit ko na makeup kit. Mga basic lang po yung laman nito. We have the Charlotte Tilbury na Hollywood film star, I think. Ano po siya ng contour and highlighter duo. No, it's mommy. Don't say yak, anak. I have moisturizer. Clinique. What else, anak? Clinique. And Kiehl's. Ito po, moisturizer din po to. Kiehl's. And concealer. Yeah, a lot of lipsticks. What's this?
No.
Lipsticks. Pero ang dalawang favorite ko po dyan, I have 2. Ito po yung Sephora. No, it's not Jack. It's mommy's lipstick. Yes. Nice. Oh, hold this. Ito po, dark siya na parang purplish na burgundy. Bagay po sa uniform ko. Sephora number 14, if gusto nyo po i-try. And ito po is pinkish nude. Sephora 13 para fresh lang. Ito naman pong gamit ko ngayon is yung famous nilang Sephora number 1, yung pong red na Sephora cream. What else? I have blush brush. Blush on. Ayan. And my powder. Ito po, maganda po to. Clio Kill Cover. Powder. Say powder. Sanitizer. Siyempre, ngayon pong may pandemic na, sorry, anak. Ouch. Kumakalat. We need sanitizer and we need to always wash our hands. Okay. What's this? Facial mist. Ito po, Rose Water Facial Mist by Mario Badescu. Kasi po yung air sa aircraft medyo dry. So, kailangan po lagi nag-i-spray. What else, anak? We also have mga documents, mga important documents. And, open. Oh, take this, oh. Ooh, smells nice. Smells nice. It's rose water. Yeah, Mario Badescu. Hold it, anak. Smells good, no? And wax po. Maliit lang. I bought I bought it sa Japan din. Kasi, very handy po siya para pag may mga ano sa hair, lagay nyo lang po. Yan. And, of course, last but not the least is our passport. You cannot travel kung hindi nyo po dala to. Tsaka mga certificate ko. Nandito na po lahat. Tapos, ito po talaga yung unang chine-check ko. Passport. Para, ano po, ito po kasi yung most important na kailangan ko talaga sa ano. And meron pa pala, isa, ito po yung nilalagay sa ice. Pag red na yung ice nyo, ilalagay nyo lang po to at magki-clear na yung ice. So, ito po yung secret ng mga cabin crew kung bakit kahit long flight, like US flight, 14, 16-hour flight. Anak, clear pa rin yung ice nila. Ayun. Yun lang po ang laman ng bag ko, ng isang cabin crew bag. Iba't iba po naman yung laman ng cabin crew bag. Pero po yung sa akin, basic lang, I think. Mga important things lang. Ayun, if you're new to my channel, my name is Flying Mommy Mizzy. Please don't forget to subscribe. And hit the bell icon para po ma-notify kayo. Say, salamat po. Salamat sa pagsuporta. And, ayun. Bye. See you again next time. Sky said, bye-bye. Kiss them. Fine kiss. Say, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.